Hi guys, it's me again, Jean, and this is part 2 of the baby shower gifts unboxing video. Let's start with this one. Oh, it's kind of heavy. So, another friend that I met at the Carnival cruise that my husband and I did last year. We met Filipinos, and this is one of them is Stephanie. She gave me $100 gift card for from Amazon. So I use it to buy from the baby registry, and this is what I bought. This is a baby Aquaphor healing ointment. So apparently this is really good for when they have like diaper rash and all that. Put it in the bum. That one. And this is a burp clothes. I think when they're like they're really full from milk, they tend to burp or puke maybe. So you can use this to wipe them, I think so. I'll figure it out. And when I said like this is from the first from the part 1 of the baby shower gift video, I said there's a small baby bottle that is 0 months. So this will be if I'm not breastfeeding, I'm probably pumping breast milk, so I can store it in here and give it to the baby boy. And another one, I also bought this Bubble Bear Superior Adjust 3 packs of swaddle. Another swaddle from Stephanie's $100 gift card. Thank you, Stephanie. And last one, newborn stage 1 newborn drift. I think this is a special, very gentle kind of how do you call this? Baby detergent. Oh my god. Pregnancy brain. So that's it for this whole bag. I put it down here. And up. And this one is from Amazon. It says, I don't know, you can't read it, but it says baby registry. So apparently, if you put a list of like in your baby registry for like 60% out of 100%, they give you free little goodies. So what's inside? It's I don't know what this is. What does it say? It's everything. There's nothing. It's from Cartiers. Oh my god, that's so cute. This is 3 to 6 months. This one, another swaddle. Super cute. I don't want to open it. Oh, I think this is just one piece of a diaper. And another baby bottle. It says anti-colic, happy feeding. Nice. A few more items here. Oh, look at that. Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo. So cute. It says prenatal Smarty Pants Organics Vegetarian. I don't know what that is. I'll find out. pacifier. Another one of that one. Relieves whatever. I think this is some kind of medicine. It says gripe water relieves occasional stomach discomfort from gas, colic, fuzziness, or hiccups. And another baby butt ointment. Okay. Next one. So this is from Rob. Remember Rob's friend that I don't remember the name. His name is Will. The one who sent us 2 toys and a box of diaper. So this is Rob's gift for me. That was Rob's friend. Give me that. La la la. That is so cute. This is when you start feeding the baby with solid food. I guess you can make a whole like batch of them, and then you can put it in here and then put it in the fridge. So I bought me that, all with different colors. So cute. And also you can write Legos on them. So cute. Okay. Anywhere else? Anything else? This one is from one of our housemates again. This is bottle warmer. I think I have one more of these, I don't know. But this is really nice. And this is also kind of expensive. So thank you so much, Angel. Okay. And okay. So this over here and this here, look at all that. It's really big. Comes from one family. Like there's like I don't know how many of them, 5 of them, probably 6 of them. They all bought me gifts from my Amazon baby registry. And Molly, can you come here? Baby? Come on up. Okay. Good girl. Okay. So let's put this one first. So I already have a breast from the first video of our baby registry video, but I forgot that I put 2 of these. The other one is, I don't know if it was electric. It probably is, I can't remember, but there's another one. I don't know how to open this. Oh, I can't, I don't have any knife with it. But yeah, this is another breast pump. Oh my god, this is so big. This is big. Huge. Ta-da! A baby high chair. A baby chair that you can put on the chair, I think, on your regular chair, and then you can tie it down. And also maybe you can put it on a table. So this is all new to me, so I don't know how to use this, but we'll figure it out. Next one. Oh, look at that. A mesh curb liner. So in your curb, around the curb, you can put the mesh like this one, so the baby won't bump into the wood, I think. Because babies are precious. You don't want them to get hurt. Okay, 2 more. Another pacifier with a elephant in it. How cute is that? Oh my god. Last one is I think these are just I don't know how you call this. Like the thing you put on the head, and like the gloves on the little hand. Look, oh my god, so tiny. And then it's a pair, guys. a little thing on the head, a beanie. And there's like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of them. So cute. And okay, last one. This is from, so that was all, the big bag is from Marlon's family, and this is from our housemate, Marlon. I don't know if you can see this. Mama, can we play later? Okay, this is the last thing, okay? Okay, move. Go up there. Okay. I don't know, guys, if you can see this, but it's a high chair, and I don't think I'll be using this really soon. But it says Graco, I think. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's a high chair. You can there's like 6 or 7 adjustments. So I'll probably use this when the baby is like 6 months old. I don't know. So yeah, that's it for, this is the last gift for the baby shower gifts part 2. Thanks for watching.